Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases faster, creates personalized treatments for patients, and predicts health trends before they occur. That's the world we're heading towards. Welcome to the course on Introduction to Generative AI in Healthcare, where you will explore how AI can help you improve healthcare delivery, make a real difference in patient outcomes, and transform how we approach medicine today. Generative AI is already making this vision a reality. It is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing diagnostics, personalizing treatments, and streamlining operations. For instance, AI algorithms have achieved up to 95% accuracy in detecting skin cancers, surpassing the 86.6% accuracy rate of dermatologists. Additionally, over 70% of healthcare organizations are actively pursuing or have implemented generative AI capabilities, reflecting its growing adoption in the industry. These advancements demonstrate the significant impact of generative AI on improving patient outcomes and operational efficiency in healthcare. I am Farhan Naik, a healthcare technology consultant with 7 years of experience in applying AI and data driven solutions to improve patient care and streamline healthcare operations. By completing this course, you will learn how to apply AI tools used in healthcare, like machine learning models for predicting patient outcomes, natural language processing tools such as GPT for analyzing medical texts, and image recognition tools like IBM Watson Health for diagnosing medical conditions. By the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of the basic concepts of generative AI and its growing importance in healthcare. You will learn how to apply these technologies to solve real healthcare challenges and assess their ethical implications. Additionally, you will be able to evaluate both the benefits and limitations of using AI in healthcare decision making. Additionally, this course will equip you with practical skills to not only understand generative AI, but also apply it effectively, improving decision making and patient outcomes. This course is curated for healthcare professionals, data scientists, and AI enthusiasts. If you are a doctor, you will see how AI tools can enhance your diagnostic capabilities. If you are a data specialist, you will discover how AI transforms raw healthcare data into actionable insights. And if you are simply curious about the future of AI in medicine, this course will equip you with practical knowledge to apply AI effectively in healthcare. Whatever your background, you will find valuable insights. Even if you have no prior experience in AI, this beginner friendly course will give you a strong foundation in generative AI for healthcare. By the end, you will have the tools to start implementing AI in healthcare. Let's embark on this exciting journey and explore how generative AI can revolutionize medicine, one innovation at a time. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing the landscape of healthcare, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance diagnostic accuracy, streamline patient care, and optimize treatment planning. At the core of this transformation are key AI technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and advanced medical imaging algorithms. These tools are reshaping the healthcare experience for both patients and providers by enabling faster, more precise decision making. In this video, we delve into the core technologies behind generative AI, focusing on natural language processing NLP and medical image analysis. You will learn how these advanced tools are applied in real world healthcare scenarios to enhance diagnostics, streamline patient care, and optimize treatment planning. By the end of this video, you will be able to define the key technologies driving AI in healthcare, explain how AI is used in medical imaging, and recognize how NLP streamlines healthcare processes. The first technology we'll focus on is natural language processing. NLP is a powerful tool that enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. In healthcare, this has a wide range of applications, from analyzing patient notes to automating administrative tasks. With the sheer volume of unstructured data like doctors' notes, patient records, and research papers, NLP allows this information to be transformed into structured, searchable formats that can be used to generate insights in real time. Imagine a scenario in a hospital emergency room where multiple healthcare professionals are documenting patient information at the same time. Traditionally, it would take hours, even days to process and organize this data. With NLP, however, all of this information can be instantly analyzed, providing the medical team with critical insights that help inform immediate decisions. Whether it's parsing through medical notes or processing clinical trial results, NLP can drastically reduce the time it takes to gather and understand information, allowing doctors to focus on patient care instead of administrative burdens. One real world example of NLP in action is its use in automated transcription and medical coding systems. AI driven NLP systems can transcribe physician patient interactions and convert them into structured data for billing, coding, and record keeping purposes. This not only enhances the accuracy of the data, but also reduces the administrative workload on healthcare professionals, allowing them to dedicate more time to patient care. Additionally, NLP can be used to flag potential health risks based on patient records, prompting clinicians to follow up on certain symptoms or patterns that might indicate future complications. Moving on to the second key technology, medical image analysis. Medical imaging has long been a cornerstone of diagnostic medicine, with technologies like CT scans, MRIs, and X rays allowing doctors to visualize internal structures and identify abnormalities. However, interpreting these images can be both time consuming and subject to human error. This is where AI-powered tools come into play. By leveraging deep learning algorithms, AI systems can analyze medical images with incredible speed and accuracy, detecting patterns and anomalies that might be missed by even the most experienced radiologists. Take AI Doc, for example, a company that has developed an AI powered radiology platform specifically designed to enhance the diagnostic process. AI Doc's AI system can analyze CT scans, MRIs, and X rays in real time, identifying abnormalities such as blood clots, fractures, or tumors. In many cases, the AI is capable of detecting life threatening conditions faster than a human can. This allows radiologists to prioritize critical cases and ensure that patients receive the urgent care they need. In practical applications, AI doc system is already being used in hospitals around the world. For instance, when a patient arrives at the emergency room after a car accident, time is of the essence. A CT scan might reveal internal bleeding, but only after a radiologist has reviewed the image. With AI Doc, the AI can analyze the scan in seconds, flagging the critical issue so that the patient can receive immediate treatment. This real time analysis can be the difference between life and death, especially in emergencies. The benefits of AI powered medical imaging don't stop at emergency care. These systems are also being used to detect early signs of chronic conditions like cancer. For example, AI can analyze mammograms to identify potential areas of concern, helping radiologists catch breast cancer at earlier stages. By catching these diseases earlier, treatment can begin sooner, improving patient outcomes and saving lives. Another exciting application of AI in medical imaging is its potential to support remote healthcare services. In areas with limited access to medical specialists, AI tools can help general practitioners interpret complex scans, ensuring that patients in rural or underserved communities receive the same level of care as those in major cities. This can significantly reduce health disparities and ensure more equitable access to advanced diagnostic tools. The integration of these AI technologies, NLP, and medical imaging into healthcare systems is not just a futuristic vision. These tools are being used today to improve efficiency, enhance accuracy, and deliver better patient outcomes. Whether it's automating routine administrative tasks or providing critical diagnostic support, AI is transforming the way healthcare is delivered. Furthermore, the ability of these technologies to process vast amounts of data quickly means that healthcare providers can offer more personalized care. By drawing insights from large data sets, AI systems can recommend tailored treatment plans based on a patient's unique medical history, genetic profile, and lifestyle factors. This personalized approach not only improves the quality of care, but also helps healthcare providers make more informed decisions. As AI continues to advance, its applications in healthcare will keep expanding. NLP and medical imaging are just the start. With new developments in robotic surgery, predictive analytics, and genomic medicine, healthcare is on the brink of a transformation that will revolutionize how care is delivered. So let's recap. In this video, we learned that AI, through technologies like NLP and medical imaging, is already improving diagnostics and patient care and making them more accurate and efficient. We also saw how emerging innovations like robotic surgery and genomic medicine will further advance healthcare practices. Lastly, we discussed how AI holds limitless potential to make healthcare more personalized and efficient, offering exciting opportunities for future improvements. Explore how NLP or medical imaging tools can be integrated into your practice. By adopting these technologies, you can enhance patient care, improve diagnostic accuracy, and streamline your workflow, making healthcare more efficient and effective for everyone. And healthcare is no exception. AI has the potential to dramatically improve how medical professionals approach diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Imagine a system that can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, medical literature, patient records, and clinical trials, and offer precise, evidence based recommendations. This kind of support enables doctors to make better informed decisions faster, potentially saving lives in critical situations. In this video, we introduce the world of generative AI and its growing relevance in healthcare, exploring how AI technologies are transforming healthcare practices. By the end of this video, you will be able to define AI's role in diagnostics, recognize its impact on patient outcomes, and appreciate the practical benefits of AI in healthcare workflows. One of the best known applications of AI in healthcare is IBM Watson for oncology, a platform designed to assist oncologists in diagnosing and treating cancer patients. Watson processes enormous amounts of medical literature and data to recommend treatment plans tailored to individual patients. The ability to sift through massive data sets in seconds and suggest personalized treatments enables doctors to stay on top of the latest research while saving valuable time. Imagine an oncologist treating a patient with a rare form of cancer. This doctor may need to review dozens of case studies and hundreds of articles to decide on the best course of treatment. IBM Watson for Oncology can process this information in a fraction of the time, providing the doctor with the most relevant, up to date recommendations. It doesn't stop there. Watson can also account for each patient's unique medical history, making its recommendations even more tailored. A real world example of Watson's applications is its use in hospitals across India, including Manipal hospitals. These institutions integrated Watson into their workflows to enhance the speed and accuracy of cancer diagnosis and treatment plans. Watson analyzes patient data along with over 50 million pages of medical content, including 200 medical textbooks and 300 journals, to offer evidence based treatment recommendations. As a result, healthcare providers saw significant reductions in the time it took to diagnose cancer and begin treatment, allowing patients to receive care sooner and improving outcomes. But AI's role isn't just confined to diagnosis. It's also transforming how we plan treatments. Traditional treatment planning might involve several rounds of trial and error as doctors consider various treatment combinations and their potential impacts. With AI, doctors can now leverage predictive analytics to assess which treatments are likely to be most effective based on patient specific data. Moreover, AI can assist in preventive care. AI systems can flag early warning signs based on patterns found in patient data, allowing doctors to take proactive measures before conditions worsen. For instance, if an AI system detects that a patient's recent test results and symptoms align with a high risk for a certain complication, healthcare providers can intervene early, potentially preventing severe outcomes. Generative AI also offers promise for medical research. Researchers can use AI to analyze historical data, predict outcomes of potential therapies, and even assist in clinical trial designs. This accelerates the pace of scientific discovery, allowing researchers to bring life saving treatments to patients faster than ever before. However, it's important to note that while AI enhances healthcare decision making, it does not replace the expertise and judgment of human doctors. AI is a tool that empowers physicians by offering data driven insights, but final decisions must always be guided by clinical expertise. Doctors are now not just caregivers, but also navigators of data, supported by advanced AI systems. As AI continues to integrate into healthcare, we are witnessing improvements in operational efficiency as well. In overcrowded hospitals, AI can assist with administrative tasks, helping to manage patient loads, triage cases based on severity, and optimize resource allocation. This enables healthcare workers to focus on what matters most: patient care, while AI handles much of the background data processing. As AI continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly vital role in healthcare, improving quality, reducing costs, and making medical care more accessible. By integrating AI for diagnostics, treatment planning, and administrative tasks, healthcare professionals can deliver more efficient, cost effective care. So let's recap. In this video, we learned that AI can significantly enhance decision making in healthcare by leveraging tools like AI powered diagnostics and predictive analytics. Healthcare providers are able to make faster and more accurate decisions, ultimately leading to better patient care. We also explored how AI improve operational efficiency. It helps reduce administrative burdens, streamline workflows, and improve the management of patient load, which makes the healthcare system function more smoothly. And finally, we saw how AI can be used to personalize care. It enables healthcare professionals to tailor treatment plans to each patient's unique data, improving outcomes and patient satisfaction. To unlock these benefits, healthcare professionals and institutions should start integrating AI into their daily practices, whether through diagnostics, predictive analytics, or streamlining administrative tasks. AI has the power to transform healthcare and enhance patient care. Start exploring how AI driven solutions can be adopted in your practice today to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving healthcare landscape. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized healthcare over the past few decades, but this transformation didn't happen overnight. From its earliest applications as rule based systems to today's sophisticated AI platforms, the development of AI in medicine is a fascinating journey. Understanding this history not only sheds light on where we are today, but also provides insights into where AI might take healthcare in the future. In this lesson, we will explore the evolution of AI in healthcare from its early innovations to today's advanced tools. You will discover key milestones that have shaped AI's role in medicine and understand how it has become central to modern healthcare. We will also touch on the ethical challenges that come with these advancements, offering insights into the responsible use of AI in medical practice. By the end of this video, you will be able to define AI's historical developments in healthcare, explain the ethical issues AI introduces, and recognize the potential and limitations of AI in modern medicine. The journey of AI in healthcare began with rule based expert systems in the 1970s. These systems, designed to support clinical decision making, followed a simple set of predefined rules. For example, if a patient presented with certain symptoms, the system would suggest a diagnosis based on those inputs. While revolutionary at the time, these systems lacked the flexibility to handle more complex cases as they couldn't learn or adapt when faced with new or unfamiliar data. They were limited to the rules that had been programmed into them. As technology advanced in the 1990s and 2000s, machine learning emerged as a more sophisticated tool. Unlike rule based systems, machine learning allows AI to learn from data. The more data the system was exposed to, the better it could identify patterns and make accurate predictions. This leap in technology marked the beginning of personalized medicine as AI became capable of analyzing patient specific data to tailor treatments to individual needs. Machine learning algorithms also paved the way for greater automation in healthcare. With AI being used in diagnostic tools, patient monitoring, and even surgical robotics. A particularly groundbreaking application of AI came with the development of deep learning. Deep learning marks one of the most significant breakthroughs in the evolution of AI, particularly in healthcare. Its ability to process complex data has paved the way for revolutionary applications. Deep learning systems can process enormous volumes of data and recognize patterns with extraordinary precision. These systems have been particularly successful in areas like medical imaging, where the complexity of the data requires advanced analysis. For instance, AI powered image recognition systems can now detect diseases like cancer with greater accuracy than human radiologists in some cases. One of the most groundbreaking real world examples of deep learning in healthcare is Google's AI powered breast cancer detection system. This innovative system utilizes advanced deep learning algorithms to analyze mammograms with remarkable accuracy. By identifying potential cancerous growths that may be too subtle for even trained radiologists to detect, the AI system plays a crucial role in early detection. Research has demonstrated that Google's AI can significantly reduce both false positives, which can lead to unnecessary biopsies, and stress and false negatives, where cancers are missed altogether. This level of precision provides more reliable diagnosis, allowing healthcare professionals to make more informed decisions regarding treatment. The ability of AI to find the earliest signs of disease, which might otherwise go unnoticed, is transforming cancer care and improving patient outcomes. Early detection is critical, especially for diseases like breast cancer, where timely intervention can drastically increase survival rates. By leveraging the power of AI, Google's system is not just a technological advancement, but a life saving tool in the fight against cancer. However, alongside these technological breakthroughs have come ethical challenges that healthcare providers and AI developers must navigate. One of the most significant concerns is data privacy. AI systems require vast amounts of patient data to function effectively, but the more data they collect, the greater the risk of breaches or misuse. Patients need to trust that their sensitive health information will be safeguarded and used responsibly. Implementing robust data security measures and ensuring compliance with healthcare privacy laws like HIPAA in the US or GDPR in Europe is essential to maintaining patient trust. Another pressing ethical issue is bias in AI systems. AI is only as good as the data if it is trained on, and if that data reflects historical biases, such as underrepresentation of certain ethnic groups or genders, AI can inadvertently perpetuate those biases. For example, an AI system trained on a dataset that underrepresents women or minorities may make less accurate predictions for these populations, leading to disparities in care. Ensuring that AI training datasets are diverse and representative is critical to minimizing bias and ensuring equitable healthcare outcomes for all patients. Moreover, transparency is another ethical challenge that needs attention. AI algorithms, especially complex ones like deep learning models, often operate as black boxes where the decision making process is not easily understood by humans. This lack of transparency raises questions about accountability. If an AI system recommends that results in an adverse outcome, who is responsible? Is it the doctor who relied on the system, the engineers who built it, or the healthcare organization that implemented it? As AI continues to take on a larger role in healthcare decision making, establishing clear guidelines for accountability will be crucial. Looking ahead, AI's potential in healthcare is vast, but it must be implemented thoughtfully. In the future, AI will likely be integrated into precision medicine, tailoring treatments not only to patients' genetic makeup, but also to real time health data, lifestyle choices, and environmental factors. This could lead to more effective treatments, fewer side effects, and better patient outcomes. Mastering AI in healthcare requires not only technical proficiency, but also a deep understanding of its history and the ethical challenges it presents. By examining both the past and future of AI, healthcare providers can adopt these technologies in a way that enhances patient outcomes without compromising ethical standards. So let's recap. In this video, we learned that AI's influence goes beyond just technology. It also raises important ethical considerations such as data privacy, bias, and transparency. We also discussed how the responsible adoption of AI requires balancing innovation with maintaining patient trust and ensuring equitable healthcare. Finally, understanding the lessons of the past helps healthcare providers anticipate and manage the challenges of integrating AI into clinical practice. Take time to reflect on how AI is already shaping healthcare and think critically about how you can implement AI solutions responsibly in your own practice. Start by identifying areas where AI could enhance care while staying mindful of the ethical responsibilities you hold as a healthcare provider. Generative AI has become a powerful tool in the healthcare sector, revolutionizing everything from patient care to drug discovery. AI driven solutions are offering healthcare providers the ability to deliver more personalized treatments, improve patient outcomes, and significantly reduce the time it takes to develop new drugs. This capability is changing the very fabric of modern healthcare, making it more efficient and accessible. In this video, we will cover the fundamental applications of generative AI in healthcare, exploring how AI is making an impact across diagnosis, treatment planning, and data analysis. You will gain a solid understanding of how AI supports healthcare professionals in making informed, accurate decisions and offers solutions to many healthcare challenges. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain AI's role in revolutionizing drug discovery, recognize AI's applications in predictive healthcare, and define its impact on personalized treatment. One of the most transformative areas where AI is having a major impact is drug discovery. Developing a new drug traditionally takes years of research, clinical trials, and regulatory approvals. This process can be extremely time consuming and costly. AI, however, is helping to streamline this process by analyzing large data sets of molecular compounds and identifying those most likely to be effective in treating specific diseases. In silico medicine, a leader in AI driven drug discovery is using generative AI to predict which molecular structures will work best for developing new drugs. By simulating molecular interactions in silico, their platform allows researchers to test millions of potential drug compounds in a matter of days rather than years. This significantly accelerates the early stages of drug discovery, bringing promising new treatments to market faster and more efficiently. One of InSilico's most notable successes has been in identifying potential treatments for diseases such as fibrosis and cancer. By leveraging AI to screen massive libraries of drug compounds, InSilico was able to identify several promising candidates that are now undergoing further testing. This kind of speed and precision could potentially save millions of lives by allowing life-saving drugs to be developed in a fraction of the time it once took. Beyond drug discovery, AI is also being used to improve predictive healthcare by analyzing patient data such as genetic profiles, medical histories, and lifestyle factors. AI can predict which patients are at risk for specific conditions and recommend preventive measures. This shift from reactive to preventive care has the potential to reduce healthcare costs and improve patient outcomes by addressing health issues before they become serious. For instance, AI driven systems can analyze a patient's health data to identify those at high risk of developing conditions like heart disease or diabetes. By diagnosing these conditions early, healthcare providers can implement lifestyle changes or early treatments that could prevent these diseases from progressing. AI is also making strides in the area of personalized treatment. Instead of offering a one size fits all approach to medicine, AI allows doctors to develop treatment plans that are tailored to each patient's unique needs. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, previous treatment responses, and current health status, AI can recommend treatments that are more likely to succeed. This level of personalization not only improves the effectiveness of treatments, but also reduces the risk of side effects and unnecessary procedures. AI is also being adapted to improve patient care in hospitals. For example, AI powered systems are helping to monitor patients in intensive care units, predicting when a patient's condition is likely to worsen and alerting healthcare providers before a critical event occurs. These systems can analyze a continuous stream of patient data like heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels and identify patterns that human providers might miss, allowing for early intervention and potentially saving lives. Moreover, AI is making healthcare more accessible. In remote or underserved areas, AI driven diagnostic tools can help healthcare providers offer high quality care even without access to specialists. AI systems can analyze diagnostic images or lab results and provide expert level recommendations, ensuring that patterns in rural communities receive the same standard of care as those in more developed areas. The real world impact of generative AI in healthcare is profound, from accelerating drug discovery to improving predictive healthcare and delivering personalized treatments. AI is reshaping the healthcare industry. As these technologies continue to evolve, their potential to enhance patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs will only grow. So let's recap. In this video, we learned that AI is transforming the drug discovery process, making it fast and more cost effective. We also explored how AI is being used in predictive healthcare, helping to identify risks early and enabling preventive care to improve patient outcomes. Finally, we saw how AI is making healthcare more personalized by tailoring treatments to individual patients, leading to more effective care and reducing unnecessary interventions. Consider how AI could enhance your practice, whether it's through drug discovery, predictive healthcare, or personalized treatment plan. The future of healthcare is already being shaped by AI, and its impact will only continue to grow.